You are going to love 2011 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, FWD, battery saver, body color bumpers, body color door handles, compact spare tire, dual note horn, child safety rear door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.